Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Typeform to create Salesforce leads, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Typeform account. If you don't have an account, create one quickly. Once logged in, select the form you want to use or create a new one. Go to the Connect panel located in the left sidebar. In the Connect panel, scroll down and click on Salesforce. You may need to authorize Typeform to connect with your Salesforce account. Follow the prompts to grant access. Once authorized, select the Create Lead option. Now, choose which form responses will map to Salesforce fields. Link your Typeform fields to the corresponding Salesforce lead fields. Pay special attention to required fields in Salesforce. After mapping, you can set conditions for lead creation if needed. After setting conditions, click on Save to finalize your settings. To test your configuration, fill out your Typeform with test data. After submitting, check your Salesforce dashboard for the new lead. Ensure all the data has correctly populated in Salesforce. If there are any issues, double-check your field mappings. You can adjust any settings by returning to the Connect panel. For enhanced functionality, consider setting up additional Salesforce automations. Lastly, review and optimize your Typeform for user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.